All right, YouTube. Welcome back to the channel. To the Fly, Andre here with you. I did a quick short on the MST mounting system for the drift wheels, but I figured I'd go ahead and do a little bit of a longer video to explain and show people how to actually mount the MST wheels and how they work. So let's get to it. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to install MST wheel set on MST tires. These are soft tires. The way you tell what type of tires are, they're little color-coded dots to kind of tell you what they are. And the way we're going to install it, I'm going to be using the MST tire installation kit, tool, whatever you want to call it, but makes it really easy. So when you get the MST wheel sets, they're packaged pretty well. So there they are. I'm not going to take them all out, but you get I think a set of 4 is like $12 or $14. Really, really cost effective. But as you notice, inside the wheel well, all right, is a foam, a strip of foam, essentially. All right, so what you want to do is peel the back off. All right, and you want to wrap it around the center of the wheel. One thing I did notice is you don't want to pull like you typically would, because then you'll end up with too much excess. This stuff is really expandable, if that's the right word for it. So you just keep putting it on, and then it should line up. There you go. All right, so that's pretty much step 1. All right, step 2, installing the actual tire onto the wheel set. All right, so very simple. You take your wheel, you face that down. All right, next, what you are looking to do is you take the black portion and make sure you find the right side to put it on. All right, to where it's kind of solid. Next, the wheel. Remember, the rim is facing downwards, so you want to ensure the writing that you have is going to be installed the correct way, in the correct direction. So you start to work it on there. If it doesn't work, you turn around. All right, the wheel should slide on slightly. All right, like that. Now you take this part with the little rod sticking out, push it down, and then push it down. Voila, wheel set is installed. It's as easy as that. Now, the reverse way, right? If you want to remove said wheel, also quite simple. This is what the yellow portion of the tool is for. All right, simply put that on. Take the, I guess, the plunger tool. I'm not quite sure what it's called. Put it on there. Push down. Take it apart. Take it out. And now your wheel and tires are separated. So it's that simple. So let me go ahead and reinstall this real quick. Bam, bam. Oops, wrong way. I'll put it on. All right. So the cool thing about the MST tires is they come in multiple, or they come with adjustable offsets. And me being a newbie to this whole drifting scene, I wasn't quite sure exactly how that would work. It's very simple. These wheels come with a +3, 5, 7, and 9 offsets. And if you kind of see the little ridge lines in here, let's see if you see that in there. It's kind of hard messing with the camera. Okay, so there's different depth that are in those ridges, and each one corresponds to a different offset. So quite simple is you push the center out, and then on the wheel there's little notches like yay, yay, yay. All right, and what they're going to do is you line them up to the desired notch. All right, the biggest one means they're going to go the furthest in. The least amount of offset is 3. All right, the smaller, more shallow one is going to be 9. So it's just a matter of putting them in, sliding them in, and that is it. And now you have your desired offset. Once your offset is set, MST recommends you go ahead and put a dab of glue on them to really secure them in there. Highly recommend you mount them to your vehicle first and make sure you are selecting the correct offset, or selecting the offset that you desire for the necessary look that you want. But overall, very simple process coming from other RC brands or other RC areas like scale and other stuff. Wheels are kind of a pain in the you know what to install. These probably have got to be the easiest wheels to install, and I'm pretty sure it's due to the fact that this tool by MST is awesome. It is worth the 15 bucks that it cost. You can buy these either at Amainhobbies or at Super G. I can put a link down below in the description. If anybody has any questions on them, place a comment down below. Be sure and hit that like and subscribe. And thanks for riding with me today. And see you next time. See you.